everyone, it's me. I'm back for a quick hair tutorial video. Yay! This video is going to be a little short because I have guests coming over. So if I'm talking a little fast, please forgive me. This is a hair tutorial video in reference to what I use in Cameron's hair. I had a mom stop me last week and ask me what do I use in her hair because Cameron's hair is always so soft and pretty and long and all of the above. So I told her most of the ingredients that I use, you can get them right out of your drugstore and local hair store. You don't have to order anything. You don't have to make any special purchases or do any, special trips. So on that note, I will share with you what I use in Cameron's hair. Starting with the Shea Moisture Organic Raw Shea Chamomile and Argan Oil Baby Shampoo. Wonderful item. It detangles her hair and maintains a moisture balance. And it has a really good smell too. I love it. Once I finish shampooing her hair, I spray in the Shea Moisture Elixir Hair Elixir for dry hair. It's a wonderful item. Again, it's all organic, no harsh chemicals. Love it. I usually spray a fine mist all over her hair after shampooing, in which I shampoo her hair maybe 2 to 3 days a month. I don't wash her hair every week just because I don't need to, but I usually get in 2 to 3 good days a month of washing and conditioning her hair. After I apply the sheer mist, I put a thin layer of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil in her hair. Wonderful item. It's not organic, obviously, but it's a really good item to use. Hey, Cameron's eating that banana. It's a good item to use on her hair to kind of seal in that moisture. It's an oil moisturizer cream. It restores moisture. It's a heat protectant and it adds shine. So I think that might be what has that mommy asking me, why is Cameron's hair always so shiny and pretty? But last but not least, obviously, is this Kuza. It's 100% Indian hemp hair and scalp treatment. I usually oil Cameron's scalp maybe 2 to 3 days out of the month with this, and I apply it to the ends of her hair. Let me tell you something. You will notice a change in your child's hair immediately. Cameron likes that baby bottle. I don't know why. But other than that, those are the ingredients I use in Cameron's hair, and they seem to work. Say bye, everybody. She's eating that banana, so I guess she don't want to talk. You don't want to say bye? Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is my arsenal of hair items for my daughter, Cameron. All right. Happy hair days. Bye.